This video was sponsored by Coursiv.
There's something I've noticed recently. Every single day, someone is talking about a new AI tool. One person is telling you to learn ChatGPT. Another person says Claude is better. Then someone else is using Google's Gemini. Then you just go about your day and the next video you stumble upon is someone running AI automations. And before you know it, you've opened more than 10 browser tabs, watched hours of videos, and somehow you are even more confused than when you started getting interested in learning about AI. And I think that is the biggest problem with AI today. It's not that there aren't enough tools. The problem is there are just too many of them and you can't really keep up. Everyone is trying to tell you what to use, but very few people explain how to actually learn and use these AI tools in a way that makes sense for you. Now, because I create tech content, AI has become a big part of my workflow. I use it in brainstorming, research, organizing ideas, and even validating ideas sometimes. Even when I hit creative blocks and I can't come up with ideas, I use AI to kind of see how I can come up with ideas and shoot videos. Because of how it's evolving, it's very difficult to kind of keep up. So when Coursiv reached out to sponsor this video, I was curious, not because it promised to be another AI tool, but because it claimed to solve a problem that a lot of people have. Instead of giving you another chatbot to play with, it promises to teach you how to actually use AI through structured lessons and practical exercises. So over the past few days, I've been exploring the platform to see what it's really like. Is it actually useful, or is it just another app jumping on the AI hype train? Let us find out. The first thing I noticed when I signed up on Coursiv was that it doesn't just throw hundreds of courses at you. Instead, it tries to understand why you are there. Are you trying to improve your productivity? Do you want to make money using AI? Are you a student, a business owner, a content creator? That simple onboarding process already makes the experience feel less overwhelming. One mistake a lot of learning platforms make is assuming everyone has the same goal, but that's not the case. What I want to use AI for is not what another person wants to use AI for. Some people want AI to help them write emails faster. Others want to build a side hustle with AI, and some people simply don't want to be left behind as AI becomes more common in the workplace. By answering the first few questions it's going to ask you, it's going to understand your goal, and the app is going to recommend a learning path that actually makes sense for you. And I think that's a very smart approach. Once I got into the platform, I realized something else. The lessons are intentionally short. Most of them take around 15 minutes to finish. Now, that might not sound like a big deal, but I actually think it's one of the platform's biggest strengths. Most people don't have 3 hours every evening to sit down and watch long lectures. Life gets busy, work gets in the way, family also comes in play, but almost everyone can find just 15 minutes every day to kind of learn something that you are genuinely interested in. Maybe you can do it while having breakfast or lunch, or maybe before going to bed. Learning becomes much easier when it doesn't feel like another full-time job. Another thing I liked is that you are not forced into one learning style. If you enjoy reading, you can read through the sessions, and if you prefer listening while you are driving or working, there is an audio option on the platform and app as well. It's a small feature, but it makes the platform much more flexible. At the end of every lesson, there are short quizzes. Normally, when I hear the word quiz, I immediately think back to school, but these aren't there to stress you out. They are simply there to make sure you remember what you just learned. Because let's be honest, most of us watch tutorials today and forget almost everything tomorrow. The quizzes help reinforce what you just learned. One feature I honestly didn't expect to enjoy as much as I did was the challenges section. And I think this is where Coursiv starts to separate itself from simply watching random YouTube videos. When you are learning on your own, the hardest question isn't usually how do I learn? It's what do I learn next? One day, you're watching a ChatGPT tutorial. The next day, someone tells you to learn prompt engineering, and everything kind of starts to feel overwhelming. Then somebody is now going to come and say you should focus on image generation. That is where the biggest opportunities to make money are going to come from. Another person is going to tell you automation is the future. Eventually, your brain is going to get overwhelmed. Coursiv is going to remove that decision-making process entirely when you onboard on that platform. There are guided challenges that tell you exactly what to focus on each day. And since these challenges are going to be focused on your core strength, it is going to be a lot more easier. For example, there is a 28-day AI challenge that takes you through different concepts step by step. There are also challenges focused on AI side hustles if your goal is earning extra income with AI. There is even a no-code challenge for people interested in building projects without learning traditional programming. Instead of waking up and wondering where to begin, you simply open the app and continue where you left off. That kind of structure makes it easier to stay consistent. Something else I appreciated is that Coursiv isn't just about watching lessons. You can actually experiment with AI directly inside the platform. For beginners, that is a huge advantage. Instead of opening ChatGPT in one browser tab and another AI tool, maybe AI image generator somewhere else, and then searching Google every few minutes because you are confused, everything is much more centralized in one platform. The platform includes access to different AI tools for writing, brainstorming ideas, generating images, and exploring prompts. One feature I think beginners are going to really love and appreciate is the prompt templates. If you've never used AI before, writing good prompts can actually be harder than people think. Sometimes the difference between getting a terrible answer and an excellent answer is simply knowing how to ask the question. Instead of leaving you to figure it out on your own, Coursiv provides examples that you can build from. That feature, the prompts library, kind of removes a lot of trial and error when you're starting out with AI. As someone who creates YouTube videos for a living, I naturally explored the section related to content creation. I found lessons showing different ways AI can help with brainstorming ideas, organizing scripts, improving writing, and even generating creative concepts. Now, I don't believe AI should replace creativity completely. I still think the best videos come from real experiences and personal opinions, but AI can definitely help remove repetitive tasks. Instead of spending an hour organizing research, AI can help summarize information for you quickly. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering how to start a video, AI can actually help you with an outline that will guide the entire video. You bring your own ideas and personality into the video, and AI simply helps you work faster. That is how I think it should be. And I like that the platform focuses on practical application rather than just unrealistic promises. Another interesting part of the platform is that many of the learning parts include certificates once you complete the program. Now, a certificate by itself won't magically get you a job. Let's be realistic. If you are learning AI to improve your career, freelance services, or professional profile, having proof that you completed a structured training can still be very useful. You can add some of the certificates you get from Coursiv to your LinkedIn profile, or even include them in your portfolio as part of a broader skill set as more companies start expecting employees to understand AI tools and continue learning as AI is becoming more valuable. After spending some time on the platform, I think I have a pretty clear idea of who Coursiv is designed for. If you've been using AI every single day for years, you might already know many of these concepts, but that's not who this platform is really targeting. It is designed for people who know AI is important but don't know where to start from. You can be a student, freelancer, business owner, content creator, just overall professional looking to become more productive, or people who keep hearing everyone talk about AI but haven't found a structured way to learn about it. And honestly, that's probably most people. The biggest takeaway I had after using Coursiv is this: learning AI isn't about finding the perfect tool. It's about building the habit of learning consistently. The technology is changing so quickly that no single course can teach you everything. But what a platform like this can do is give you structure instead of jumping between random tutorials and hoping something sticks. You follow a clear learning path for 15 minutes a day and another 15 minutes tomorrow, and before long, you've built a real knowledge instead of collecting random information. And I think that is the biggest value you get on Coursiv. If you've been curious about AI but didn't know where to begin, or you've tried learning before and felt overwhelmed, Coursiv offers a much more organized approach. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, and a big thank you to Coursiv for sponsoring this video. As always, let me know what you think. Have you started learning AI yet, or you're still waiting for the right place to begin? I'm going to catch you in the next video.